Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we shall take a look at how you can block a YouTube channel from your account. Well, there is no particular button that allows you to block someone's channel, but there are a few things that you can do so that you are unable to connect with them anymore and they will also not be able to connect with you. So first things first, all we need to do is let's go into our YouTube channel right here. So in our main, this has all of the recommendations in terms of all of your things that you have watched that is recommended towards you. And if you want to say block a channel, so let's choose this channel right here. All you have to do is click on the three dots right here on that video. And then as you can see here, there is these options of not interested and not recommend channel. So if you click on the not interested, this means that you will have fewer or less videos with being able to see this channel at all. But of course, over time, if ever this video does come back up through all of the recommendations, or if you decide to watch it again and you don't want that, all you have to do is click on don't recommend channel. So this means that you will not be able to see this channel at all in your recommendations. Another thing to note is if, say, this user leaves comments on your YouTube videos, then you can also block them or prevent them from doing that. All you have to do is, of course, go into the channel itself. And then on the top right, as you can see, there is this option, hide user from my channel. And then just go ahead and click hide user. This means that they will not be able to have comments from your channel anymore. And there you go. So that's one way to emulate blocking a YouTube channel from your account. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.